Hello and welcome to another update about SUI. The SUI chart is currently following this yellow scenario, which is also, or was, the preferred interpretation, the more probable one at least, yeah, based on the structure, because the price structure from the last low, and I do have to remove that here, but or we shift it over here. The price structure from the last low that formed here on the 10th of March. As you know, if you watch previous videos, that was only a 3-wave move to the upside. And because of that, it needed to prove itself, the bullish scenario, the directly bullish one. So further downside, as on most crypto charts, was expected. And we've now actually reached this area between $1.96 and $1.86. So what can I say? Target has been reached, but without any clear confirmation for a low. So at the moment, it looks really like we are heading down further. Smells a little bit like capitulation, so we might go down a little bit lower. I mentioned that today in our member live stream. For those of you who participated, that what happens very often when we're watching for one more low, at least it happens every few months in the crypto sector. When we talk about altcoins, there's like potential for one more low, but then that last low is like final capitulation, where then people get too scared to actually make use of the, of the buying opportunity. Now, again, I wouldn't recommend buying in a strong downtrend without any reversal signal, but essentially that comes down to your own risk profile, okay? That the analysis won't give you the answer there. That comes down to your own risk profile. All I can say is we're now in that next support zone here, and I want to see minimally a break above the last high that formed here at around, at around $2.30 for a first indication of a low. Okay, that we need a break above that level for an indication that a low has formed. For now, the local trend is still down. We've just formed the lower low. That means at any point, a reversal can form now. The wave pattern is really full here, but we need some kind of a reversal signal, like a 5-wave move up. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a 3-wave pullback. And someone asked me today, are there any other reversal signals, or do we have to wait for a 5-wave move up? So from an analysis point of view, from an Elliott wave point of view, I need 5 waves up. And that's basically very simply, it's just a series of higher highs and higher lows. And then after a breakout, we want the pullback to hold a higher low. That's typically a pullback setup. Now, whether you want to wait for a 5-wave move up, or you might want to act if there is a bullish engulfing candle, or I don't know, some kind of a candlestick formation or something else, that is really up to you and your trading system and method and approach. But from an analysis point of view, it requires a reversal to the upside, a signal like a break above resistance followed by a higher low in the pullback. So yeah, that's the update about SUI at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.